Hello, Calabas City. We have your supporters in the crowd. Welcome back on stage.
Anak, anak ko yan sa unang asawa. Kalamba! Baby! Mami, baby! May poultry ka pa ng bata. Nangangalagta ka ba ng baby? Maingay! Kalamba!
And your question is, a king is expected to lead with dignity. How would you define dignity in leadership? In Tagalog, ang isang hari ay inaasahang mamuno na may dignidad. Paano mo ilalarawan ang dignidad sa pamumuno?
As a king, he doesn't just wear his crown. He carries responsibility. A responsibility to uplift his people and to inspire them. As a king, I want to make a change. A change to the people who can embrace themselves and be true to themselves. That is what a true king is. And I thank you.
Thank you, Kalamba. Sering Buwan.
Kalamba! Ang ina na to.
Now let us move on to our next king from Las Piñas City.
Looks like the crowd is ready for you, and you sure are ready for your time. So pick your question.
Galingan mo, pre! Go, pre! Go, Christian! Go, Daddy!
This is your question. Jose Rizal is often considered a symbolic king of Filipino intellect and patriotism. How does his legacy inspire you as a Filipino? Si Jose Rizal ay madalas itinuturing na simbolikong hari ng talino at pagmamakabayan ng mga Pilipino. Paano ka naiinspira ng kanyang pamana bilang isang Pilipino?
Sa pangulang pagkakataon na inarito ako sa itablatong ito, hindi para ipakita lang ang aking husay sa stage, kundi ipakita ang lahat ng mga karanasan na aking naranasan sa buong taon at sa pangalawang taon. Hindi na babasa sa pagsuko ng isang tao ang kanyang determinasyon sa buhay. Karapat lamang na bigay siya ng inspirasyon, magpatuloy, huwag sumuko, at nang sa ganon ay mapagpatuloy niya ang kanyang pangarap. Dahil naniniwala ako na ang tawag ng malaking pangarap, malayo ang mararating. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Martinez City, and congratulations.
Now down to the final four. It is your time, Quezon Province. Tito.
I'm sure you're ready. Good luck. Pick your question.
Si Tino Olivares. Go, Tino! Tino! Pre, galingan mo! Tino Santino. Go, Tino! Ay, bak na.
This is your question. Kings are often seen as symbols of strength and wisdom. How do you balance these qualities in your daily life? Ang mga hari ay madalas na itinuturing na simbolo ng lakas at karunungan. Paano mo binabalanse ang mga katangiang ito sa iyong pang-araw-araw na buhay?
As a king, I balance my strength and wisdom because I wanted to help my family. Not just my family, but also my friends. I use my strength to help them, to help them and to find opportunities that will help my family. Along with wisdom, I always use this to survive. And with that, I would encourage everybody here to use our strength and wisdom all together. Because if we use our strength and wisdom, we will be able to help our families as well. But more than that, I believe that we should use our wisdom. So I would like also to take this opportunity to encourage everyone to use our wisdom to choose the right leaders that will lead our country. Because if we choose the right leaders, we don't need to use much of our strength anymore because opportunities are there. We don't need to suffer. So I'm using my wisdom right now to encourage everyone to choose the right leaders. Someone who prioritizes the welfare of the Filipino people. Someone who doesn't use their position for their self-interest. That would be all. Thank you.
We move to our king from Cagayan de Oro City, Nick Ramses.
Welcome to the Oro City. Pick your question and good luck.
Napasok ko na siya. Biggest best friend to help our family. Family? Oh my God. Oh my God, Juliet.
Here is your question. If there were a modern day Philippine king, what values should he represent to reflect Filipino culture and traditions? Kung mayroong modernong hari ng Pilipinas, anong mga pagpapahalaga ang dapat niyang taglayin upang maipakita ang kulturang Pilipino at mga tradisyon?
If there's a modern Filipino value that I think everyone has to embody, it is the ability of being proud of what we have. Philippines historically has a lot of resources, rich culture, very great festivals that we can celebrate on. But through the changes of times, sometimes we forget about how important it is that we value it, that we became proud of it. Sometimes we are eaten by the Western culture. We tend to copy what they do and forget about what we have as Filipinos. And that, I believe, starts within all of us. If we become proud of who we are, if we understand what we are capable to do, then we will be able to become the great Filipinos as we are. Maayong gabi yung daghang salamat.
Thank you once again as our candidate from Cagayan de Oro City, Nick Ramses. Now we move into our king from the Filipino community of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
Welcome back to our king who has a wisdom support system as well. Hello, good luck with your question.
Nauna na kanina. Hindi mo na-record? Ma. Hindi, nakaano. Si ano na sabi ko.
Hello.
Si Matsugo pumasok. May crown, pero... Bigyan kitang copy na.
Here we
Sige,
go.
okay, wag na, okay lang.
In history, kings have made sacrifices for their people. What personal sacrifice are you willing to make for the betterment of your community? Sa kasaysayan, ang mga hari ay nagsasakripisyo para sa kanilang mga nasasakupan. Anong personal na sakripisyo ang handa mong gawin para sa ikabubuti ng iyong komunidad?
Thank you for that very nice and wonderful question. One thing that I would like to sacrifice for the sake of the common good for the people in its community is my life for the people. Just as I represent the Filipino community of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, being an overseas Filipino worker is very hard. Then I come all the way here to represent the Filipino community in order to let the people know that it is hard living here and be away from the family. But we are happy to provide, just as we exchange our lives and love and joy from the Philippines into the community of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, just for the people to have a good life. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you. From the community of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
All the applause for final king, and he is from Nueva Ecija province, Mark Christian Bayan.
Hello, Nueva Ecija province.
Kanina. Yung isang level
You
siya.
can do Let's take the
Ah,
pressure
dalawa
off
sila.
and
Oh my
pick
God.
your question.
Ano pa rin?
Rebelsio!
Ah, matalino. Oh, baby! Ay, na yung baby.
And your question is, what does being a king mean to you, and how would you embody this role if crowned? In Tagalog, ano ang ibig sabihin ng pagiging isang hari para sa iyo, at paano mo isasabuhay ang papel na ito kung ikaw ay makoronahan?
Thank you. The true meaning of a king for me is when you are authentic. Because a king must be sincere of what he's doing. He must stay with his character, values, stay grounded in his values and principle. And as a king, I want to embody it by showing authentic, and I'm not faking myself in front of many people. Because many kings think that they're showing themselves to the people and they aren't being weird. And I want to show that I am sincere for what I'm doing, and I'm not doing it for popularity, fame, or any benefits that I will gain from it. But I want to show is to serve, listen to my people, and show that it is not about wearing the crown, but it is about showing your sincerest self even when no one's watching, on stage and even outside the stage. Thank you.
There you have it!
Talino na.
Tanghalang Brasileño, ladies and
Interview ko rin yan,
gentlemen!
by si Hay siya yung
That
interview ko
was
nun eh.
the final question.